Well, we got my buddy here, Austin, in his little single cab. We got her all cleaned up and detailed. Only took about 2 good hours. Did the wheels, went through everything, touched everything up, and once we get there, we'll probably have to detail it again, but that's how it goes. But for now, that'll do for what we need it for. And we're just gonna be waiting on Hunter. He's gonna come out here, park his trailer, so he doesn't gotta worry about leaving it out there in Joplin, someone stealing it. So, yeah. Hopefully they'll be here on 1 o'clock. We can roll down to the show, get registered. And I'm sorry if the wind is outrageous because you probably can't hear me very well.
Oh.
Well, we're gonna go ahead and head out, go meet Hunter and Ernie Boggs, Camo coming right now. Oh, I got a little dirt on my nose. Go meet them at a hotel and see what they're doing. And then we're gonna, I guess, cruise out to the meet or the show, go get registered and get ready for that meet tonight. And it's gonna be super excited for it, super excited. Amish Mafia?
Yep.
Look at this, check this out, boys. Turf. Check this out. Dude, that right there. Snapchat, license plate, micro Mafia boy. Freaking farm truck. Out here with the boys, eating some Chipotle. You know, Mexican needs his rice and beans before being able to get up and do anything. You guys already know this truck, Ernie Boggs. Where's the other one at? Oh, check this out. Just got his Cummins done. And she is clean, boy. Some Hostile forged wheels. Hunter Gingrich. And if you guys have not seen the before of this truck, I mean, it may just look stupid clean, but you should have seen what it was before. It was way different than what it is now. He's come a long way with this truck. And then you got the old 6.0. But dude, I love that 6.7, dude. I love that thing. The turf just adds to it. So at the truck show with Austin and my buddy Hunter, well, headed to the truck show. Dude, it is so windy out here. It's miserable, dude. Like, my eyes are puffy, my nose is runny, like I keep sneezing. Like, I've never had allergies, but dude, this is so bad. So I'm gonna be miserable the entire time, and then recording, I'm gonna be trying to talk and the wind's gonna distort the entire video. Gonna get as much footage as we can, roll out to the show and just try and have a good time, and hopefully it's a pretty good turnout. I already have a few buddies out there, so we'll kind of see for ourselves and see how it is. We registered our trucks yesterday because I didn't know how many trucks were actually gonna be here today, and for it to be so crammed and, you know, hard to get in or wait in line forever, that I just wanted to get ahead of the, you know, head of the show. So we're already pre-registered, so we should be able to just fly through registration, but see.
Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, they ain't gon' feed you. I been all on my grind, so why I need you? Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, they ain't gon' feed you. I been all on my grind, so why I need you? Big flex, my swole up, double cup and I'm pulled up. Hating like hold up, what's the problem? I'm pulled up. Big flex, my swole up, hard body they fold up. Shawty say I done glowed up, double text on my phone up. With your boy, I'm the man of the year, I'm not a fan of your peers. Serve him a fate, I'ma hand him the shears. He not the man he appears. Heart of a lion, I'm trampling fears. I love the man in the mirror. Cry me a river, then stand in the tears. You better stand in the clear. I'm going crazy, fugazi. How would they ever go with a kid? Put it on, baby, it do not faze me. Boy, I do not get what you did. Eating that kitty, she stuck to my rib. How can I trust him? He the pigs. Bro got a Glock and a couple of C's. He think about splitting a couple of wigs. Shot in my DNA, all real. Sweatsuit, all heel figure. And I ain't even gotta deal with you. If I ain't never split a bill with you, I got Hennessy and horchata. Baby girl wearing nada. growing from a cider. Bathrobe in his Prada. Fiji water by the cold glass. Granddaddy by the Ziploc. Flex season, I'm road running. I'm staying all on my tip top. Young man with an old mind, so I ain't worried about slight. I be up till sunrise. I'm staying out on my night shift. I got a bottle of bourbon, a bundle of honeys. I'm jiggy, I'm flexing it. Figured I hit it and quit it. I'm busy, I ain't got the minutes for texting it. Came from the gutter with me and my brother. I'm moving my mother right out of the city. I'm a star and they know I go hard, so I'm kissing them babies and signing them. Gold blingin' like Chingo, rock star like Ringo. Checks coming in back to back, I'ma line them up like bingo. Oh, I think that they like me, they be all on my wood tip. Not a stain on my white tee, I'm popping all of this good. Big flex, my swole up, double cup and I'm pulled up. Hating like, hold up, what's the problem? I'm pulled up. Big flex, my swole up. Hard body, they fold up. Shorty say I done glowed up. Double text on my phone up. Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, it ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind, so why I need you? Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, they ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind, so why I need you?
He says this thing's, he's got a little system in it. That was nuts. He's gonna get a Ford.
What?
He's gonna get a Ford on stock. So the mechanics behind this get that underneath the axle, jack it up, full drive, should pull it out. I don't think it's gonna fit. I don't want it to pump the seal out. Yeah. But the 30 people pick it up, I think we can do that. Yeah, that check ain't getting in there like I thought it was going to be.
Watch out if that thing sits on it.
Yeah, I'm moving.
Get out of the angle. Well, I'm going to go this way.
Yeah.
Let's all pick up on this side. On this side? Yeah. Just go really, really slow. Hey, Jeff, get one.
Why did they just do that? Oh, sorry. You're like, we'll cut that.
Love you, Dave.
Okay.
That's crazy. I didn't think that was going to work. Mans didn't learn his lesson, so he's going to go back for the stump. One wheel this time. There you go. That's better.
Big Blazer. Bryson Safari with a 19 Ford F-250.
Wait, where's Hunter's? Let me see yours.
Oh, yeah.
Keith Reynolds
Oh, I'm
with
like
a 96 Chevy GMC.
Well, here's that cruise. I haven't been talking a lot, dude. I've been running around so much and just like this was a good show. Not only did we finally place, super excited about that, but it's just been a really fun show. Just the fact that it's like for the smaller guys, you know, a lot of us smaller guys had won stuff. And although the SEMA trucks are sweet, you know, it's fine to find, it's nice to let the, you know, little guys win finally. So, yeah, me and Hunter took home awards, a lot of the smaller guys, so that's really cool, and we're enjoying the crap out of this show right now. But now I guess we're just in this cruise, slow down to 20, 15, 10 miles an hour, and I don't know what we're doing now.
No, I hear that.
If I was just driving home on a Saturday night, just did some overtime, and I come up on this, a freaking truck. These people are probably livid. Then I'm over here just rolling cool, enjoying my weekend. These guys are like, man, fuck these guys. This thing's gonna get so hot. Yeah, it's 206 right now. She's getting spicy. She does not like it, but I like it, so I'm gonna make it work. That was one of the only times you could do that in front of a cop and he's not gonna say nothing. He's probably like, I'm gonna get you one of these days. And I'm wasting, at the end of this, I'll probably waste $20 in fuel with all the coal that I've rolled going 5 miles an hour.
I'll get out one time. I was standing out there, bud.
Sorry, he was right.
Do people flood you so fast when you come in?
Yes, they love it. I feel like Gabe Barrel, man. I'm trying to think, maybe right here, back up in there.
I don't know if you can, because that's where people leave from.
Probably their problem, not mine.
I don't think you can, babe.
Hey, let me ask you something, bro. Why is that tow truck? You seen that tow truck, right?
Yeah.
Hey, them wheels are spin. Them wheels spin. Them bitches spin. You don't even have center caps.
I'm poor.
What's going on?
I'm poor.
Hey, tow trucks.
They
got spinners.
I own a 6.0, man, to make you bankrupt. That's why.
You got more stars in a single cab than I do a 4-door.
I'm poor, man.
Oh shit.
So it is the next day. The show's over. It actually got shut down. Today was supposed to be a Friday, Saturday, ended a Sunday afternoon, but it rained all night and it's still kind of drizzling right now. It's not too bad. And I guess they didn't want people at the park tearing up the grass and it be muddy with all these trucks and everything like that. So today should be the last day, but yesterday was the last day and we weren't able to get too many clips. We were so busy driving around, but it was super fun. It seemed like we're starting to get a lot more traction. We got a lot of attention. We were able to place top 66, which is awesome because this is one of the first shows that we've actually been able to place. The trucks won a few awards at little car shows and stuff like that, but nothing actually up against a bunch of show trucks and everything. I think they had a total of 380, almost 400 trucks there. For it to place top 66 is a really big accomplishment for me, so that's really awesome. I'm sorry if the video hopped around a little bit. Like I said, we're just talking to so many people and we're just really trying to enjoy ourselves, and I would forget half the time to record. So like, you know, we'd be going out to eat and they would skip to going to somewhere else. I'm like, crap, I forgot to explain where we were going after this. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I was able to get everybody in it. I tried to get as many people as I could, but you know how it is. It's almost 400 trucks there, trying to get everybody in it within that short little time frame of that edit. It's kind of difficult, but we tried our best. Now, enjoy this little outro. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys want to see, what you want to hear, and make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.